Busy warehouses are a hive of activity, but when forklifts and pedestrian traffic mix, the consequences can be dangerous, causing serious injury or even fatalities. At Verge Safety Barriers, we understand your priorities, protecting your people, your assets, and your bottom line. That's why we've developed safety solutions designed to bring peace of mind to even the busiest operations. Our products, like the Impact Barrier range, High Wall, Standard and Vivid V-gates, are more than just barriers. They're a statement of safety and efficiency in one system. They help prevent accidents by increasing awareness and keeping human traffic separate from machinery, ensuring everyone stays protected. And with designs that are presentable and professional, Verge Safety Barriers protect not just your people, but also your building and vehicles. No more worrying about costly damage or worse, preventable injuries. Don't wait until it's too late. In just weeks, from discovery of design to implementation, our responsive team will install a tailored safety solution that fits your needs and your ideal investment level. Because when it comes to your people, you can't put a price on peace of mind. Visit vergesafetybarriers.com.au today to protect what matters most.